Hi everyone, welcome to the Property Scout channel. Today we're at the Fullerton Sukhumvit, which is a pet-friendly building in the prime location between Thonglo and Ekamai Station. I'm going to show you around. Let's take a look at the common area first. Welcome to the 3-bedroom and 3-bathroom at the Fullerton. This unit is 132 square meters. Let's go check it out. Let's start with the kitchen. I love this kitchen. This kitchen is a fully equipped U-shaped kitchen with hob and hood and special features that you usually don't find in Bangkok's kitchen are the dishwasher and the oven right here. It can fit a full-size fridge, and you can see that we have storage up and below as well. When you walk out from the kitchen, conveniently placed is the laundry area, where you have a washer and dryer and even space for a separate washer and dryer. Doesn't have to be a 2-in-1. And now we're in the dining area, which is connected to the kitchen conveniently. And there's so much space that you can actually fit a 6-seat or 8-seat dining table. Connecting to the dining area, we have the lounging area or the living area, where the wall-to-wall space is huge, as you can see. You can fit a big couch. It could even be an L shape. This is already a 4-seat couch, but you can also extend because, as you can see, we have a lot more space here. You can actually mount your TV to the wall. The TV is huge already because there's so much space, but you can actually choose to mount your TV to the wall, and it could be an even bigger TV. We are now walking into the balcony, which is a very sizable balcony, can fit a whole small dining table or just a coffee table and maybe some lounging chair. But the actual selling point of the balcony is actually the view. As you can see, we can see a little bit of a glimpse of the Chao Phraya River, and we're facing the sunset. So in the evening, you can come on the balcony, sit, have a glass of wine, and enjoy the sunset. I'm walking in to the bedroom area, which actually creates a very good separation between the lounging area and the private sleeping area. In the hallway, conveniently placed, is a storage room where you can store miscellaneous stuff, and it can be out of sight and out of mind. So we're inside the first guest bedroom, which has an ensuite over here, but I will tell you all about that later. As you can see, the space in the first guest bedroom can actually fit a king-size bed, but right now we have a queen, which fits perfectly and gives you enough room to walk around the bed as well. Not only that, there's a huge closet, which should be enough for someone who doesn't have too much clothes, probably not me, but we will still make it work. The ensuite is quite spacious. As you can see, sink, toilet, huge shower, not just a small one, very sizable, not cramped at all. The view is amazing from the first guest bedroom because it's quite open and you almost have a big floor-to-ceiling window. We're now in the second guest bedroom. We still have the big closet space over here like the last one, same, and the amazing view on this side. This unit actually has a little bit of a corner window over here where you can look out at the unblocked view. This bedroom doesn't have an ensuite, but we do have a separate guest bathroom over here where you can open to your guests without them having to come into your private bedroom. And now for the big reveal. We're inside the master bedroom, and once you walk in, the first thing you'll see is the walk-in closet. There is already a built-in walk-in closet over here, which can hold a lot of clothes. And if you were me, you would love this closet. When you walk into the master bedroom, you can feel the natural light in because the window is a corner window like the other room, and then you have so much space. This is a king size bed, and there's even space in the corner over here for you to put a tiny desk for your work or a little coffee table like now, just to enjoy coffee in the morning in your own bedroom. There is also a double vanity over here where not only do you have the vanity in the walk-in closet, you can use this as your vanity as well. Very good natural lighting, good for makeup. Of course, it's not a master bedroom if it doesn't have an ensuite equipped with the bathtub. The bathtub is very sizable and lots of space around the bathtub for you to put your bath salts or even your bubble bath bomb. Is that what they call them? Bath bomb. So you can put everything and you can enjoy the view of the city while you have a bath. But for privacy, we installed the blinds for you already. The shower is also very sizable, equipped with the rain shower, separate toilet area, and the wash basin. Alright, let's recap. We have looked at the 3-bedroom and 3-bathroom at the Fullerton. The size is 132 square meters on the 22nd floor. If you're interested in purchasing this unit, please contact Property Scout for the contact details below. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends.